What's up guys, you're watching the Situ, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is NP-31952-0, a network connection timeout. It's a simply internet connection error, a PSN account error, a network error. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Go to the settings here simply, and login settings. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not. If you set the passcode, you just turn it off. And here you just enable for recognition. You don't do it, you just disable it first. And then what to do, you just go to the here a network connection, and then you go to the view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, so you are working on the updates, that's why you get this error. And here we are at the settings, and then you just go to the network connection, use a wired LAN one, or if you're using a Wi-Fi, you can do it a manual DNS settings, primary primary DNS, secondary DNS. You can change it which one is working good in your country. Just put it back here, and I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN cable. Just connect them from the router to PlayStation 4, and you will get the better speed. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.